Simplicity is the antidote to uncertainty. Spanning makes backups seamless, a quick and easy setup accompanied with an intuitive interface. Spanning setup takes less time than drinking coffee. Simply log into your Spanning account. Choose your backup storage location and encryption key option. Then, accept authorization and assign licenses for users you want backed up. That's it. Oh, still working on that coffee? But what's life after the Spanning setup? The interface by design is identical to Office 365. That means no expensive training costs. Find emails by sender, recipient, or subject and quickly back them up effortlessly. Not just that, restore individual emails, folders, and entire mailboxes. Spanning also lets you back up OneDrive files and folders, and restore individual files and even entire folders without breaking a sweat. Now take all of this and automate it. Run your entire Office 365 backup quietly in the background each and every day. What's more, no need for admin intervention in case of an accidental deletion. With Spanning, users can restore their Office 365 data so admins can continue working on critical tasks. Simplify backup and recovery for administrators and businesses alike. Try Spanning today.